In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shareable board in Monday.com. Shareable boards are incredibly useful in Monday.com when you need to collaborate with external guests, clients, or anyone outside your core team who doesn't have a full user license in your account. They allow you to maintain privacy for your internal data while still providing a dedicated space for specific projects or tasks involving external parties. This ensures clear communication and streamlined workflows without compromising your main workspace security, making it an essential feature for cross-organizational projects. To begin this process, you'll need to navigate to your Monday.com workspace. Once you're there, look for the distinctive plus sign icon. This icon is usually located in the left-hand navigation pane, often positioned near the top or bottom of your list of existing boards and workspaces. Think of this plus icon as your universal Add New button for most elements within Monday.com, whether you're adding a new board, a new item, or exploring other features. Clicking it will open a menu with various creation options. After you've clicked the plus sign, a menu will pop up, presenting you with several choices for what you can create. From this comprehensive menu, you'll see an option clearly labeled Board. Go ahead and click on Board to indicate your intention to create a new board within your workspace. Following this selection, you'll typically be prompted to choose between starting a new board from scratch or utilizing an existing template. For the purpose of creating a shareable board, make sure to select the New Board option. This ensures you're starting with a fresh, blank canvas that you can customize precisely to your project's needs. Now, we arrive at the most crucial step for enabling external collaboration. After you've chosen to create a new board, you'll be presented with various board settings, and among them, you'll find a dedicated section for privacy. Monday.com offers different privacy levels to suit diverse needs: Main, Private, and Shareable. While Main makes a board visible to everyone in your account and Private restricts access to only invited team members, it's Shareable that unlocks external collaboration. By clicking on Shareable, you're granting the ability to invite guests and external stakeholders to this specific board. This allows them to view and interact with the content you designate, all without requiring them to have a full user seat on your account, which is ideal for client projects or vendor management. With the shareable privacy setting now correctly selected, your final action is straightforward. Simply click the Create Board button. This button is typically located at the bottom of the board creation dialog box. Once you click it, Monday.com will instantly generate your brand new shareable board. From this point forward, you can begin the exciting process of customizing it, adding groups, columns, and items to organize your work. Most importantly, you can now proceed to invite your external guests to this board, allowing them to collaborate effectively and contribute to your project. You'll then be ready to populate it with all the tasks, timelines, and information necessary to get your project off the ground.